Welcome back to Cooks to the Rescue. We're going to be doing maple glazed pork chops. Delicious. First, we're going to start off with some garlic. Rosemary. Smells so good. Balsamic vinegar and some maple syrup. Salt. Black pepper, of course. Put that into your bowl. We use a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. It's so delicious. Of course, make sure to use the natural maple syrup kind. Yum, 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 delicious. Little bit of salt, black pepper, stir all of that together. Then you're going to pour it over the raw pork chops in a bowl. Roll up those sleeves and start to massage that pork chop meat. Slap it, flip it, rub it down. And just rub it in as needed. But don't forget, fresh ingredients make for delicious food. So we snip, snip, snip. Took that from our rosemary plant. It smells great. Drop in a bit of that and put it in your fridge. Let it sit for 2 hours. This is what it's going to look like as it's marinating. When we are ready, we pull it out, put it on low to medium heat. Don't want it to burn. Add the rosemary. You can see how delicious that is. All those flavors blending together. When the time is right, you're going to flip it over. Really important to make sure that you cook that pork all the way through. You can cover it, and as the pork starts to dry out, you can add in more balsamic. Another bonus, take that same glaze once you finish cooking the pork, and you can cook some mushrooms. Oh man, this is so delicious, guys. My face does not lie. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Please like and subscribe. You are going to love this simple recipe. Amazing.